This is the latest investment website. You can see from the screen, you can see the user interface. This is the user interface. So once anybody or the person you are introducing to your investment platform visit your website, this is the face they are going to see, right? So you can see trading system, company, education, content, and you can see the name Trade Global Market with Confidence. You can see we have live update. You can see where it say live there. You can see uh you can see all the at the top there where they write Binance and the trading live keep moving. All right, it keep moving. So this particular script is really amazing. Right. If you come here now, you can see the live trading. This is the live trading. You can see just the way everything is happening on every trading platform. It happens here. So you can see create account. You can see logged in. So if you go down, if you scroll down, you can see, look at where my mouse is. You can see live trading activities. Trader from Kuala Lumpur just earned $200,000 trading oil. So you can see it gives updates. So if anybody visit this website now, it will be showing the people that are already trading on the website and they are, benefiting from the website. And this will make your investment website look more legit. This thing is absolutely for educational purpose. If you need this script, maybe you are a student, you are in school, you need this script to defend your project, or you want to learn how this investment website is being done, make sure you contact me, but I'm not giving it for free. All right. And if you want to learn how to develop a website from scratch, I'm also available for the teaching. So watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching, you won't miss out. So I'm going to show you the back end so you see how to control all the back end of your script and the user interface, how you can control the user interface as well from scratch. All right, so let's keep going. So I'm going to scroll down. To, okay, you can see the line here. You can see the coin, BTC, USD. You can see the amount there. You can see to create account. So here, if you create account, all it's going to ask you is enter your username, your phone number. So you can see personal info. You choose your user location, you enter your full name, you enter your phone number, and the next one, you click on next, which is number 2, you enter your location, which is your region setting. Then the other one is security, which mean account protection. It's just for them to be able to protect your account from being hijacked by any hijacker. This script is user friendly. It's easy to understand. So make sure you pay attention to this video, all right? So I'll still continue walking you through. So you can see at the top there we have join. The name of the trading website is Pino Profit. So you can see start your professional trading journey. So let's proceed. So okay, what else am I going to show you here? Let me see. That's the language if you want to change it. And they say 1 million traders community. So you can see it already have about like 1 million. So this is the next page. Welcome. So that's the user, interface, and this is the admin dashboard. So for now, let me log in to the admin dashboard. Then I will log in from the admin dashboard to the user interface, because this particular website you're seeing, all these scripts that I built, this particular site you're seeing, you can log in any user or control any user from the admin dashboard. So let me log in. So I'm in right now, I'm in the script right now, and this is the admin dashboard. So you can see at the top, we have the interface of the trading analytics. You can see the system statistics, and we have dashboard, we have the users, the managed users, we have
manage deposit and so on. So on the user dashboard, once you click on it, you can see the emails of people that are already in the site. You get the email of the people that are already in the site, the phone number, how many people register. And if you click on where it says manage, once you click on that side, then you can see how to manage users. You can credit user, you can debit user, you can log into user account, you can edit user, you can assign some specific code to the user so that anytime they want to do any transaction, they have to contact the customer support, or maybe they are trading, something is going on. You can actually message them and a notification will be pumped out. So like I said, you can see credit or debit user, turn on upgrade signal status, turn on upgrade plan status, any of the plan, trade for clients. If you want to trade for them, set number of trade for withdraw, add plan history, set withdrawal code, reset password, clear account, edit, add referral, and so on. So you can see how this particular stuff work. So you can see how this particular stuff works. So it's so easy. All right. It's so easy. And can see. So it's really awesome, right? So once you are able to get the script, all you just have to do is get the script hosted and you start seeing all this stuff on it. Or if you need me to build you one so you can use it for your educational purpose, like if you want to defend a school project, I'm available for that. Can help you create, teach you how to defend it. You go to school, you defend it, but like I said, not free. So YouTube, take note of that. This script is for educational purpose. So this is other users. This is everything. You can decide to delete it. So this is managed deposit. So the amount of money people deposit, everything will be what will be here. So this is managed trades. So the trade people trade, you can see. So we have the total trades. 22, we have the active trades, we have 2, we have completed, we have 20, we have total volume, we have 11,000. All right, so you can see from here, everything is, showing there. So that is one thing about the script. The script is really easy and it's easy to understand. It's very easy to understand. So you can see that it's not hard at all. All right, so let me show you around again. Let me show you around. So this is lead, maybe the people. So this is administrator. So for example, maybe you get the script and you want to edit the script to your own. This is where you come and edit it. All right, that administrator, you're saying you can, make somebody else admin on the platform on your website, and they can help you to manage it. Just like, having multiple admin on it that will help you to manage it. So that is how it works. So it's very easy. It's very easy. All right. So let me still see what I can show you from here. I'm still checking around to see what I'm going to show you. Okay. So let's go to the setting up the page. Okay. So once you get to setting, that's the referral bonus. Maybe you want to set some specific amount so that anytime anybody invite anybody to the website, there will be a bonus for the person. So you can say app setting, but what we need to change the entire info of this script to yours is the app setting. App setting. So once you go into the app setting, there you see the name of the website. You see logo, details of the website. And once you change it, it's going to correspond with all the details on the website. All right. So it's going to correspond with all the details of the website. Instead of you building the bunch of code, you can decide to just do it this way. And trust me, it's easy. So here are the investment plan. So you can set up your investment plan from, the minimum 50, 100, 200, 300, 15, depend how you want it. The script, I already have a lot on the script, right? So there are a lot of them on the script. So anyone, you want to add, you can, actually add, or you want to edit. You see where the black color is, the pen color. You can just click on it, then you edit. Or if you want to like delete this particular one, then you can delete. So, pass like that at all. And it's very, very easy. So don't forget to share this video, like and comment. See you in my next video. One love.